In this society, people are being misjudged because of all the stereotypes being made. We could say that the deaf community is also a victim of such stereotypes. Of all the problems faced by deaf community, we have decided to take the most untackled one. Insensitivity of the society towards the deaf people. We aim to educate people with basic knowledge in the do's and don'ts while interacting with the deaf. We are taking the first step towards empowering the deaf with a friendly society. We introduce AID. AID for interacting with deaf. Our AID website will contain sections to learn American Sign Language, a quiz that will help the user to assess their learning, an etiquette section, a community for AID users, events, and feedback. The quiz will be based on a machine learning model. The machine model will predict the ASL alphabets and the prediction will be compared with the user's answer. The machine model will be hosted using Flask. This is our code directory structure. We follow MVC architecture. Directory mainly consists of 3 folders: Model, View, and Controller. The View folder contains files responsible for presentation of data such as the HTML files. The Model folder contains pure application data. It doesn't contain any logic describing how to present the data to the user. The Controller folder controls between the View and Model. It listens to events triggered by View or any other element and executes the appropriate reaction. At first, we will have to run the Flask code. The Flask server must be online for the working of machine model-based quiz. The user can log in into their AID account using provided username and password. The AID homepage contains AID feed, Learn ASL, etiquettes, all-in-one, quiz, events and feedback. AID users will be able to see theirs and their friends' post in the AID feed. AID users can post into the community using Add Posts section. Users can add images, videos and format texts while creating the post. The updated post will be reflected in the AID feed and timeline. The icon on the right bottom is our chatbot Lucy. Lucy is designed to answer queries related to hearing-impaired lifestyle. The settings section in AID feed allows users to edit personal details. Through the Learn ASL section, the users can learn basic ASL. An alphabet chart showing all the alphabets is provided in the section. A video tutorial for learning ASL is also placed in this section.
A, your hand is in a fist and your thumb is up like this. B, your hand is all the way extended and your
The etiquette section contains certain do's and don'ts to keep in mind while interacting with a deaf person. It includes things like, don't approach a deaf person from behind, etc. Now, to the quiz section. As mentioned earlier, the quiz works on the basis of a machine learning model. When the user enters an answer, it is stored in the database. At the end of the quiz, the user answer is compared with machine model prediction and the result is published. Each quiz section will contain 5 questions. The quiz result page gives the quiz summary. It contains image, user answer, machine model prediction, updated time and result. To pass the quiz, the user must make at least 3 right answers. The Back to Quiz badge will start a new quiz session. The resources to know more about the deaf lifestyle is scattered in the internet. It takes great time to find each. Understanding this, we have added the all-in-one section. It acts as a common point to access all such resources. We have categorized sections into news, entertainment, blogs and fun. When user clicks in a box, he or she will be redirected to the corresponding site. The event section is designed in a way such that AID users can participate in interested events. Users can also add their own events. All the details about the events will be available on the events section. There is also a feedback section. Through it, the users are able to submit their feedback regarding the AID website. Now, to our chatbot Lucy. Lucy will appear in the right bottom of the site after few seconds of site activity. Lucy is designed to answer queries related to hearing-impaired lifestyle. Lucy is just a Q&A chatbot. She doesn't perform any complex functions. She is developed using Google Dialogflow and customized using bot copy. AID is a project which can be extended in a large scale. To begin with, our chatbot Lucy can be implemented using NLP. Our community can also be extended to add more features. AID has the capacity to make a change in the current social situation when implemented in large scale.
Thank you.